Not every job is going to be the same, and you'll learn this throughout your career. But you need to improvise, and this is what we did in this job. We weren't allowed to use chemical because of the stream nearby. The runoff would go directly into it, contaminating the water. And so we decided to use pressure, kind of old school status or old school wise, and but it was going to take forever. So we had to kind of change it up a little bit when we decided to use the surface cleaner. Although not full pressure on the surface cleaner, we changed out the tips and dropped the casters a little bit to clear the crevice or the ridges. Yeah, so my machine is about 8.5 gallons a minute at 4,000 psi. With the tips, when we changed them, instead of 4.5 tips, we went with two, I think 7 or two 8-inch tips, which dropped our pressure in half. And so, and also being that we were about an inch above, or maybe 2 inches above our normal riding height, that gave us enough room to clean it without any damage. So here's the final product. Tell us what you think, or if you know of a better way of doing it. Feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.